With Bitcoin exceeding $80,000, it's a good time to consider, why has this cryptocurrency been so successful? What is used as money changes over time. And money, for people to use it, needs to be convenient, and it needs to hold its value in terms of maintaining its purchasing power, at least in the short term. When we buy something with Bitcoin right now, it's incredibly inconvenient. I bought a watch with Bitcoin. I had to go to the jeweler. They sent me an invoice. I sent the Bitcoin, and then we waited 15 minutes for the transaction to settle before I could leave the store with the watch. I could have just swiped a credit card and it would have been done. But a credit card isn't money or a debit card. It's an additional layer on top of the base money layer at central banks. Likewise, there are additional layers being added to Bitcoin, the Lightning Network, for example. And so over time, Bitcoin will get more convenient to spend, but most people won't spend it because Bitcoin has done an incredible job of storing value. The reason why is the supply of Bitcoin is growing at a much lower rate than the supply of fiat currency, which increased 40%, the US dollar, between 2020 and 2022. Meanwhile, Bitcoin grows about 2% a year, and there's a cap of 21 million coins. Now, people will only use money if they trust it, and if others trust it. It's like a social network. Everybody's on it because everyone else is on it. And Bitcoin is slowly gaining acceptance, understanding, and trust. And because of that, it's become a form of digital gold, which has been around for millennia. But Bitcoin, it's been less than 20 years. Yet as it grows in trust and understanding with a restrained supply, it becomes like money. It won't replace fiat currency, but it's an alternative currency that has been incredibly successful, and that trust continues to grow, which is why we could continue to see Bitcoin appreciate in value relative to fiat currency.